Hello guys, welcome to this session. Today we are going to discuss MCQs on Mughal Empire of India. This will be the second part and we had already discussed the first part of it. So if anyone is visiting the channel for the first time, so please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So let us start our today's session. First question is, who was the last emperor of Mughal Empire? A option is Aurangzeb, B is Bahadur Shah first, C option is Bahadur Shah II and D option is Shah Alam II. So right answer of this question is Bahadur Shah II. That is option C is the right answer. If I ask you who was the first emperor of Mughal Empire, so he was Babur, who led the formation of Mughal Empire in India in the year 1526 after winning the Battle of Panipat. Further, let me discuss some important points related to Bahadur Shah II. So, Bahadur Shah II, also known as Bahadur Shah Jafar, during 1857 revolt, he was proclaimed the Emperor of India by the rebellion. But later on, by the British government, he was exiled to Rangoon and where he died. Right? Next question is, a renowned Jain scholar who was greatly honored by Akbar was. So who was a Jain scholar who was honored by the Akbars? A option is Hemchandra, B is Harvijay Suri, C option is Vastupala and D option is Bhadrabahu. So right answer is option B, that is Harvijay. Next question is, who among the following Indian rulers was a contemporary of Akbar? A option is Rani Durgavati, B is Ahilya Bai, C option is Martanda Verma and D option is Sawai Jai Singh. So right answer is option A, that is Rani Durgavati. Next question is, the original name of Tansen, the most famous magician at the court of Akbar was. A option is Lal Kalavant, B is Banda Bahadur, C is Ramtanu Pandey, D option is Markande Pandey. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज रामतनु पांडे. तो फर्दर जो है मैंने कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स इनके बारे में लिखे हुए हैं. सो लेट वी डिस्कस दिस. फर्स्ट है रामतनु पांडे, दैट इज तानसेन, was born in the Hindu family at Gwalior in UP and he was one of the 9 scholars of Akbar. Earlier, he was court magician of the king Ramchandra of Mewar, but later on, he was a magician in the court of Akbar. His important rag which you can remember, so it was Megh Malhar and Deepak. And where was the tomb of Tansen located? So it is also important, it is located in Gwalior, UP. Next question is, Din-e-Ilahi of Akbar was not a successful because A option, after Akbar it was not patronized, B is the Muslims didn't accept other religious practices, C option is it was not suitably projected to the masses and D option is all of the above. So right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Let me know some important points. Din-e-Ilahi. So Din-e-Ilahi also called as Tawhid-e-Ilahi and its formation led by Akbar in the year 1582. Guys, year is also important. कई बार एग्जाम में इसका फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ईयर ही पूछते हैं. तो इसमें टोटल फॉलोअर्स कितने थे दीन-ए-इलाही के? सो आपको याद रखना है 15 फॉलोअर्स. और मोस्टली क्वेश्चन बनता है, हु वाज द ओनली हिंदू टू ज्वाइन या फॉलो द दीन-ए-इलाही रिलीजन? सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर बीरबल. Birbal was the only Hindu to join Din-e-Ilahi. Other was Abul Fazl and Faizi, right? Next question is, which Mughal emperor was an illiterate? A option is Jahangir, B option is Shah Jahan, C option is Akbar and D option is Aurangzeb. So right answer is option C, that is Akbar. Next question is, the first Indian Hindi scholar of the Mughal period was. A option is Malik Muhammad Jayasi, B option is Abdul Rahim, C option is Mullah Wajhi and D option is Chand Bardai. So right answer is option B, that is Abdul Rahim, जिनको कि अब्दुल रहीम खाने खाना भी कहा जाता था. नेक्स्ट है अब्दुल रहीम खाने खाना ट्रांसलेटेड तुजुक ए बाबरी और बाबरनामा इनटू पर्शियन लैंग्वेज. गाइस, जब हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट किया था मुगल एम्पायर पे, उसमें हमने डिस्कस किया था कि जो बाबरनामा था, जिसको कि तुजुक ए बाबरी भी कहा जाता है, उसको लिखा गया था ओरिजिनली इन टर्किश लैंग्वेज, बट उसको लेटर ऑन इट वाज कन्वर्टेड इनटू पर्शियन लैंग्वेज बाय द पर्सन अब्दुल रहीम खाने खाना, राइट? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, मुगल पेंटिंग फ्लरिश ड्यूरिंग द राइन ऑफ. A option is Akbar, B is Jahangir, C option is Shah Jahan, D option is Aurangzeb. Important question है guys. So the right answer is option B, that is Jahangir. We discuss some other important points. So Mughal painting स्टार्टेड ड्यूरिंग द राइन ऑफ हुमायूं। जो मुगल पेंटिंग की शुरुआत होती है वो होती है ड्यूरिंग हुमायूं के टाइम से, और उसकी जो सबसे ज़्यादा फ्लरिश होती है ये एक पीक पर पहुंचती है ड्यूरिंग द राइन ऑफ जहांगीर। दोनों ही इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट हैं, इनको याद रखिएगा। बाकी हम देख लेते हैं फेमस पेंटर। जो हुमायूं के फेमस पेंटर थे वो थे अब्दुल समद एंड मीर सैयद अली। अकबर फेमस पेंटर वर बासवान एंड दसवंत, and Jahangir's famous painter were Abdul Hassan, Ustad Mansoor, Bishan Das, and Akka Riza. Right? Next question is Dara Shikoh finally lost the war of succession to Aurangzeb in the battle of. A option is Dharmat, B is Samugad, C is Devrai, and D option is Khanwa. So right answer is option B, that is Samugad. And the battle of Samugad fought in the year 1658. The year is also important. And one more point, which is the last battle fought between Dara Shikoh and Aurangzeb. So it was the battle of Devrai, which was fought in the year 1659. Guys, Dara Shikoh and Aurangzeb both were the son of Shah Jahan, जो कि सक्सेशन के लिए उनके बीच में काफ़ी वॉर होते हैं, जिसमें कि जो इम्पोर्टेंट वन है जो एग्जाम के लिए आपको याद रखना है वो है बैटल ऑफ समूगढ़ एंड द बैटल ऑफ देवराई। Next question is the Upanishad were translated into Persian by Dara Shikoh under what title? So A option is Al-Faris, B is Kitab ul-Bayan, C option is Mazam ul-Bihran, D option is Sir I Akbar. So right answer is option D, that is Sir I Akbar. Next question is the Moti Masjid in Agra was built during the reign of which Mughal emperor? A option is Humayun, B option is Shah Jahan, C option is Aurangzeb, and D option is Shah Alam II. So right answer is option B, that is Shah Alam II. गाइज मोती मस्जिद जो है 3 जगह पर बनाई गई हैं डिफरेंट रूलर्स के बारे में। तो आपको एग्जाम में कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, इसलिए हम वन बाय वन सबको डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। सो सबसे पहले देखिए मोती मस्जिद इन आगरा। तो इट वाज बिल्ट बाय शाहजहां, एंड मोती मस्जिद इन दिल्ली बिल्ट बाय औरंगजेब, एंड मोती मस्जिद इन लाहौर बिल्ट बाय जहांगीर। राइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज बिटवीन whom was the battle of Chausa fought? A option is Bahadur Shah and Humayun, B option is Humayun and Sher Khan, C option is Akbar and Rana Pratap, and D option is Jahangir and Rana Amar Singh. So right answer is option B, that is Humayun and Sher Khan. And Battle of Chausa fought in the year 1539, right? Next question is which one of the following structure was constructed by Emperor Akbar in Fatehpur Sikri? A option is Moti Mahal, B option is Rang Mahal, C option is Panch Mahal, and D option is Hira Mahal. So right answer is option C, that is Panch Mahal. Next question is which one of the following Mughal emperor spent a greatest part of its reign to overthrow the Deccan kingdom? A option is Akbar, B is Jahangir, C option is Shah Jahan, and D option is Aurangzeb. So right answer is option D, that is Aurangzeb. Next question is two of the following states which Aurangzeb had conquered in Deccan were. A option is Ahmednagar and Bijapur, B option is Bidar and Bijapur, C option is Bijapur and Golconda, and D option is Golconda and Ahmednagar. So right answer is option C, that is Bijapur and Golconda. Next question is Tulsidas composed his Ramcharitmanas in the reign of. Important question है guys. तो ऑप्शन देखिए, ए ऑप्शन इज बाबर, बी इज अकबर, सी ऑप्शन इज औरंगजेब, एंड डी ऑप्शन बहादुर शाह जफर और बहादुर शाह टू, जो कि मुगल एम्पर के लास्ट किंग थे। तो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज अकबर। गाइस एक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट और नोट डाउन कर लीजिए, दैट इज हु वर द पॉपुलर सेंट्स कंटेम्परेरी टू अकबर। सो आपको याद रखना है तुलसीदास, चैतन्य, कबीर एंड नानक, ऑल दीज वर द कंटेम्परेरी ऑफ अकबर। राइट। Next question is the Battle of Khanwa in 1527 was fought between. A option is Babur and Rana Sanga, B is Ibrahim Lodi and Rana Sanga, C option is Humayun and Sher Shah Suri, and D option is Humayun and Nusrat Shah. So right answer is option A, that is Babur and Rana Sanga. Next question is at the time when Nadir Shah attacked the Delhi, the Mughal emperor was. A option is Ahmad Shah, B option is Bahadur Shah, and C option is Muhammad Shah, and D option is Shah Alam II. So right answer is option C, that is Muhammad Shah. गाइस नादिर शाह को हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट में भी डिस्कस किया था, वहाँ पर हमने इसको काफ़ी इलेबोरेट करके डिस्कस किया है। तो आप प्लीज़ अगर फर्स्ट पार्ट नहीं देखा है तो उसको भी देख सकते हो, ताकि सारी चीज़ें आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हों। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द मुगल एम्पायर एक्सटेंडेड अप टू तमिल टेरिटरी इन द साउथ अंडर द राइन ऑफ। ए ऑप्शन इज अकबर, बी इज औरंगजेब, C is Jahangir, and D option is Shahjahan. So right answer is option B, that is Aurangzeb. Next question is, among the following, which Mughal emperor introduced the policy of Sula-i-Kul? A option is Akbar, B is Zainul Abidin, C is Nasiruddin Chirag, and D option is Nizamuddin Aulia. The right answer is option A, that is Akbar. Akbar introduced the policy of Sula-i-Kul, जिसको कि यूनिवर्सल पीस पॉलिसी भी कहा जाता था. Next question is, who among the following deserves the credit for construction of Lal Killa or Red Fort? So A option is Sikandar Lodi, B is Akbar, C option is Jahangir, and D option is Shahjahan. So right answer is option D, that is Shahjahan. Shahjahan led the construction of Lal Killa or Red Fort. Let me discuss some other monuments which are built by शाहजहां. शाहजहां का ओरिजिनल नेम या चाइल्डहुड नेम अगर कहें वो था खुर्रम. ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, याद रखिएगा. तो मोती मस्जिद एट आगरा हमने प्रीवियसली डिस्कस किया, इट वॉज बिल्ट बाय शाहजहां. एंड शीश महल was also built by Shahjahan. Taj Mahal at Agra. Next is Shalimar Bagh at Lahore, and most importantly Peacock Throne or Takht-i-Tosh, also built by Shahjahan. And who was the architecture of Peacock Throne? So the person name was Bibadal Khan, right? Next question is, Jizya was reimposed during the reign of. A option is Akbar, B is Aurangzeb, C option is Jahangir, and D option is Humayun. So right answer is option B, that is Aurangzeb. Guys, let me discuss some important points related to Jizya. Jizya basically was a tax on non-Muslim, और इस टैक्स को लगाया जाता था मुगल एम्पायर के द्वारा ताकि जो है वो नॉन मुस्लिम के लोगों को प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड कर सके. उनको प्रोटेक्शन देने के बदले में वो उनसे टैक्स लिया करते थे, राइट. और जजिया को जो सबसे पहले इम्पोज करने वाले जो पर्सन थे वो थे कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है, जजिया वॉज इम्पोज ऑन ब्राह्मण्स ऑल्सो. और जजिया को जो है ब्राह्मण पर इम्पोज करने वाले रूलर कौन थे, तो आप उनका भी नाम याद रखना है, वो थे फिरोज शाह तुगलक. Then later on, Akbar abolished the Jizya tax in the year 1564. Guys, year is also important. कई बार जो है एग्जामिनर डायरेक्टली पूछता है कि अकबर ने एबोलिश किया था जजिया टैक्स इन विच ईयर. सो आपको याद रखना है 1564. But in the year 1679, Jizya tax was again reimposed by the Aurangzeb. Next question is, who built the tomb of her emperor husband? A option is Shah Begum, B option is Hazi Begum, and C option is Mumtaz Mahal Begum, and D option is Noorjah Begum. So right answer is option B, that is Hazi Begum. And who was Hazi Begum? So she was the wife of Humayun. Next देखिए, let me discuss all Mughal emperor tomb. So Babur's tomb is located in Kabul and Humayun's tomb located in Delhi, which was built by his wife Hazi Begum. And Akbar's tomb is in Sikandrabad in Agra. And where is Jahangir tomb located? So you have to remember his tomb is in Lahore. Shahjahan tomb is in Agra and Aurangzeb tomb is in Aurangabad in Maharashtra. Question is, who among the following was the daughter of Emperor Shahjahan? A option is Jahan Ara, B is Roshan Ara, C is Gohar Ara, and D option is Jebunisa. So right answer is option A, that is Jahan Ara was the daughter of Emperor Shahjahan. And who was Jebunisa? So she was the daughter of Aurangzeb. Next question is, the Mughal emperor who prohibited the use of tobacco was. A option is Akbar, B is Babur, C option is Jahangir, and D option is Aurangzeb. So right answer is option C, that is Jahangir. जो टोबैको को प्रोहिबिट करने, जो टोबैको पर बैन लगाने वाले एम्परर थे उनका नाम था जहांगीर. आगे देखिए गाइस, टोबैको को जो है इंट्रोड्यूस करने वाली यूरोपियन कंट्री इंडिया में कौन थी, वो थी पोर्टुगीज. एंड पोर्टुगीज इंट्रोड्यूस द टोबैको कल्टीवेशन इंडिया इन द ईयर 1605. इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, इसको अच्छे से याद रखिएगा. नेक्स्ट है, टोबैको प्लांट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अराइव्ड इन दक्कन. सबसे पहले साउथ इंडिया में टोबैको की कल्टीवेशन आती है, बट धीरे धीरे वो नॉर्थ इंडिया की तरफ भी स्प्रेड हो जाती है ड्यूरिंग द राइन ऑफ अकबर, राइट. एंड जहांगीर वॉज सो कंसर्न अबाउट इट्स एडिक्शन दैट ही बैंड इट. जहांगीर जो है फिर खुद जो है इतने ज़्यादा एडिक्ट हो गए थे टोबैको के लिए कि उन्होंने कुछ टाइम बाद इसको खुद ही अपने जो एम्पायर है उसमें बैन कर दिया था, राइट. सो रिमेंबर ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स. Next question is, during the Mughal rule, the copper coin was known as. A option is rupee, B option is dam, C option is tanka, D option is shamsi. So right answer is option B, that is dam. Next देखिए guys, during Mughal Empire, basically 3 coins were there: gold coin, silver coin, and copper coin. Gold coin was Gold coin was called mohar, silver coin called rupee, and copper coin called dam. Next question है, what was the district known as during the Mughal administration? A option is Ahar, B is Vishaya, C is Suba, and D option is Sarkar. So right answer is option D, that is Sarkar. जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट होती थी मुगल एम्पायर के दौरान उसको बोला जाता था सरकार। आगे देखिए, जो मुगल एम्पायर था उसमें जो डिवीजन होता था अलग अलग रीजन का, वो किस तरह से होता था। तो देखिए, सबसे पहले जो है सूबाज होते थे जिसको कहा जाता था प्रोविंस। फिर प्रोविंस को फर्दर डिवाइड किया जाता था डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जिसको कहा जाता था सरकार। ठीक है, और डिस्ट्रिक्ट क्या होती थी, इट वाज अ ग्रुप ऑफ विलेजेस, एंड ग्रुप ऑफ विलेजेस को कहा जाता था परांगणास, राइट। और एक विलेज को कहा जाता था ग्राम, राइट। So village, then Paranganas, then Sarkar, and further Suba. And during the Akbar's reign, there were total 15 Subas, but during Aurangzeb's reign, total Subas were 20. Next question is, the historian Abul Fazl was killed by A option is Hemu, B is Bairam Khan, C option is Uday Singh, and D option is Bir Singh Deo Bundela. So right answer is option D, that is Bir Singh Deo Bundela. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, अरेंज द फॉलोइंग बैटल्स ऑफ मुगल पीरियड इन क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर। यहाँ पर कुछ बैटल्स देके रखे हुए हैं एंड यू हैव टू अरेंज दिस इन द क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर। सो फर्स्ट है बैटल ऑफ घाघरा, सेकंड है बैटल ऑफ खानवा, नेक्स्ट इज बैटल ऑफ चौसा, एंड नेक्स्ट फोर्थ है बैटल ऑफ समूहगढ़। सो इसका राइट आंसर आएगा गाइस ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज 2, 1, 3 एंड 4। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बैटल ऑफ खानवा, दैट बैटल ऑफ घाघरा, बैटल ऑफ चौसा, एंड लास्ट में होता है बैटल ऑफ समूहगढ़। हम इनके ईयर्स देख लेते हैं। बैटल ऑफ खानवा फॉट इन द ईयर 1527, बैटल ऑफ घाघरा फॉट इन द ईयर 1529, एंड बैटल ऑफ चौसा होता है 1539 में, एंड बैटल ऑफ समूहगढ़ होता है 1658 में, राइट गाइस अगर आपने फर्स्ट पार्ट नहीं देखा है मुगल एम्पायर का तो प्लीज आप उसको देख लीजिए पहले, वहां से आपको काफी चीजें क्लियर होने वाली हैं। ये सारे बैटल्स मैंने वहां पर डिस्कस किए हुए हैं, राइट। नेक्स्ट है, विच हिस्टोरिकल मॉन्यूमेंट इन दिल्ली इज अ सिंथेसिस ऑफ पर्शियन एंड इंडियन स्टाइल ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर। ए ऑप्शन इज कुतुब मीनार, बी इज लोधी टॉम, सी ऑप्शन इज हुमायूं टॉम, एंड डी ऑप्शन इज रेड फोर्ट। So right answer is option C, that is Humayun tomb. Next question is, Aurangzeb defeated Jaswant Singh, the ruler of Jodhpur, in the War of Dharmat in 1658. So in which state Dharmat is situated? A option is Rajasthan, B is Madhya Pradesh, C is Gujarat, and D option is Uttar Pradesh. So right answer is option B, that is Madhya Pradesh. Next question is, who was conferred the title of Gunraj Khan? A option is Bipra Das Piplai, B is Maladhar Basu, C option is Kavi Jayadeva, and D option is Shri Chaitanya. So right answer is option B, that is Maladhar Basu, conferred with the title of Gunraj Khan during the Mughal Empire. And who was Maladhar Basu? He was a Bengali poet. Next question is, Kabiliyat and Patta was introduced by A option is Sher Shah Suri, B is Shivaji, C option is Jahangir, and D option is Aurangzeb. The right answer is option A, that is Sher Shah Suri introduced the Kabiliyat and Patta system. Next question is, which Sikh Guru was murdered by Jahangir? A option is Gobind Singh, B is Tegh Bahadur, C option is Arjun Dev, and D option is Ramdas. So right answer is option C, that is Arjun Dev. And Arjun Dev was the 5th Sikh Guru. And 9th Sikh Guru, that is Tegh Bahadur, was executed by the Aurangzeb. दोनों पॉइंट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, सो प्लीज इनको याद रखिएगा। So that's all for today guys. I hope कि आपको कंटेंट अच्छा लगा होगा. So please give a one thumbs up to this video. We will meet soon in the next session guys. Till then bye bye and take care.